Paano ba nagsimula ang MRF or Majestic Raven Family?
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are.
Marami akong kinausap na tao, marami akong chinat or tinext para tulungan ako sa pagbuo ng family. Kasi hindi mo naman kayang buuin ang isang family kung ikaw lang mag-isa. So, kailangan may kaagape ka, may katulong ka sa pagbubuo ng family, di ba? So, yun, chinat ko nga si head founder Ocho, si Banal, si AC, si Gazer, si Sab. So sila yung mga katulong ko sa pagbuo ng ng MRF family. Nagkaroon kami ng brainstorming, nag-exchange kami ng mga ideas para pag-isipan kung ano magiging name ng family, and finally nabuo nga itong napagdesisyonan ang Majestic Raven Family.
They say no one will love you as you are, but I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me.
Hi guys, I'm Sid from Pestuhan Family, and on behalf of our fam, happy 7th Mansari Majestic Raven Family.
Hi po! Happy 7 months ng Majestic Raven. God bless you all po and stay strong. Pakatatag po kayo. Bye!
So, more blessings to come, more beans. Let's continue to grind. Again guys, happy 7th Mansari to your fam.
Happy 7th Mansari MRF. Long live Laban.
Hi! Happy 7th Mansari, Majestic Raven Family. Grabe, imagine 7 Mansari nyo na. Grabe, sana mabot pa kayo ng years or decades. Again, happy 7th Mansari, Kung Hei Fat Hoy!
Happy 7 Mansari sa MRF family. Mami Clyde, sa lahat mga members and founders, happy anniversary sa inyo. And hope magtagal pa and keep the love alive. Thank you.
Happy 7th Mansari, Majestic Raven Family. We wish you all the best, at sa lahat ng mga hosts at mga influencers ng inyong agency at inyong family, we wish you all the best. And sa inyong head na si Boss Clyde, congratulations for keeping it up at making your family one of the best here in Bigo Live. Happy Mansari!
Hi guys, I'm Sen, and today is February 8th. Happy 7th Mansari sa ating mga MRF guys.
Hi guys, this is your moderator and editor Light na bumabati sa inyo ng happy 7th Mansari sa ating MRF family.
Hi guys, I'm Nix, admin ng MRF fam. Happy 7th Mansari MRF fam. Sana magtagal pa tayo and sana mas marami pang members ang dumating sa atin. And maging masaya lang dapat tayo. Be friendly, ganun. And ayun, magmahalan tayo as a fam, diba? So ayun lang guys, wala akong masabi kasi the best of fam na to. And ayun lang. Thank you so much. Happy 7th Mansari ulit.
So,
Hi guys, my name is Coffee and I'm your admin in our branches and yeah, luwag po sa loob ko pag-admin niyo. ML. So anyways, I'm so really thankful that I became your admin and of course, happy 7th monthsary MRF. Yeah, I hope that you will stay in this farm and let us grow together because the families that grow together will grow together.
Sa ngayon, sa pagpapatuloy ng paglaban ng MRF, katuwang ko sa pagpapatakbo ng family ay sina Head Admin Lab, Assistant Cat, Moderator Light, Admin Coffee, and Admin Nix, at CI Advisor Payne. Patuloy namin gagabayan lahat ng miyembro, lahat ng Bigo host ng MRF para isakauunlad at ikabubuti ng family. Again, happy 7th monthsary sa ating lahat.
Another round of bullets hits my skin. Well, fire away, 'cause today I won't let the shit sink in. We are bursting through the barricades and reaching for the sun. That's what we deserve. I won't let them break me down. I know that there's a place for us. Oh, we're going on. The sharpest words wanna cut me down. I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown the mind. I am brave, I am bruised, I am rude, I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apology. This is me. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown the mind. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. This is me. I'm gonna send the blood. This is me.
Happy 7th monthsary MRF. Happy 7th
Seventh monthsary MRF family.
Happy 7th monthsary MRF.